Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm trying to start a journey of creating new accounts. So once again, welcome to my channel. Let's get into the game. Yeah, it is kickoff here. Trying to find downloads. Trying to find Mbeumo, but the pass couldn't reach. Then what an attempt, by the way. Fortunately, my keeper was there. He was able to save the shot to the corner for my opponent. My got the interception. Trying to find Dogu, Odegaard, Bruno Fernand. Fortunately, I was trying to do Maceto on there, but fortunately, another skill kicking, which was very, very unfortunate. And that's it, by the way. I I don't know why my opponent was just trying long way shooting every fucking time. Yeah, Mbeumo, Bruno Fernand, trying to find Mbeumo again. Yeah, I can see, boy. Man, my opponent was trying to shoot again there, but fortunately for me, I was able to get the interception. Wow, that was a good sharp touch there. And the pass. To be honest, I didn't know why he couldn't read the ball there. To be honest, I made the perfect pass there, but fortunately, Konami script kicked him. So I don't know why he couldn't read the ball there. Yeah, I got the ball back. Odegaard, Casemiro, Bruno Fernand, Maino trying to foul that lot. Keep running, trying to find another player, but there wasn't nobody there. I had to like turn in that lot. Yeah, defense shot here, just like find another player there. Then Maino, another fake shot. Couldn't get to find another player there. Fortunately, my opponent was not able to progress the ball there. But unfortunately, thank, thanks to my delete there, I don't know. This one thing I hate about smart is the way they struggle around your player, like they glue to your player, not making you to turn easily. That's one thing I don't like about the smart assist. Really, really annoying, to be honest. It's using free to play player. I mean, like easier, I thought, to be honest. Wow, that's a penalty for me there. Let's see if we can score it. He should have like let me like go there to be honest, because that's a clean goal for me. After cutting in, nothing else, just like call the ball. It's gonna be a simple goal. Wow, save the penalty. Fortunately, I thought the ball was going in, but he was like he read me, like he read my mind. The first half wasn't bad at all. Nice possession, nice shots. Everything was intact. Fuck, bro. My opponent got to score there because there was delay there to be. I was trying to like turn in and out and like then find another player to pass to, but unfortunately for me, smart assist. Smart assist is gonna auto press you, so got the goal. Back to the game. And that delay, you can see auto clear. I don't like this at all. Very, very annoying. See, I should have head onto the body and like turn in and out to find like to wait for him to progress before releasing the pass, but learn for another day. I was rushing the play there. I should have calmed down to be honest. Wow, that's a great goal. Step over to Stony Shirt and that's the game again. I guess my opponent is having maybe network issue or he just like left the game to be for the AI to be playing themselves. Themselves. See how I'm struggling against my assist player. Like it was not supposed to be that hard for me to get the ball of my opponent, but because of his using small assist to get the ball of him is really really hard. Back to the game. Mbuemo Kubmaino. Bro, another lag again. Should have scored it to be honest. But we take that every fucking time. So got the boy again by Sheshko and he scored the goal. Nice goal by the way. Skihovni on Messi to Lewandowski. Caicedo trying to find out Caicedo again. Caicedo Neymar. The double touch to Lewandowski. Wow, boy, go bro. Nice goal, nice goal. Didn't know what was going on my opponent to be honest. It was just maybe it was his mates, I don't know. But you take that. Oh, fuck. Nice interception by Robertson there. Many will have attempted to pass to like through pass to Messi there, but in that case you need to hold on to the ball because once you pass, your opponent is going to read it. Is it that he intercept the ball or he gets to knock out Messi there? So I have to wait for him to like move to the right position before passing or delay the pass to do something else. I don't know what was going through my opening head. The person paused for like 3 minutes or so. So back to the game here. Fortunately, it worked for him though, because his person was the reason why I played rubbish there. It should have gone in, man. I don't know why I missed that there. The ball should have gone in. Nice one by the goalkeeper. That was very, very tense. I should stop doing that. I should stop doing that all the time. Very, very risky. That's why I like special double touch. The dribbling there. If it was for just normal double touch, I won't be able to pull that off for special patient. My bad. Nice sharp touch. I really love him in Lopez ID. Like the guy is very, really, really crazy in the game. His ID is one of the best ID in the game because you can do whatever you want to do with him. Like run with ball, dribble, passing. He has everything. Kicking power. He's a phenomenal player. Do you know what my opponent is trying to do here? Maybe he was trying to shoot from there or pass because that animation was in. Someone had to say often. Like I was trying to do shot there. We got the ball back. What is nice? That's it. Femi Lopez. What a player. There is so many bugs in this game. Like, why would someone be crossing from that place? That's weird. Tired of my opening. He was just wasting my time every fucking time. But I used the opportunity to like so being keen and like so about Messi because Messi was really, really tired. So I have to bring fresh leg. Do you know what happened? Maybe it was a bug or something. That's why P2 in our over like has everything over free to play. Because it was a good player there. He would have controlled the ball. And yet I haven't like trained my players to max, so I can't expect them to perform any better than that yet. Maybe till I like train them to max, then I'll expect more from them. Or like iPhone actually needs to work on this. Every time you receive that notification while playing game, your game is going to lag, and I don't like that. Sometimes it costs you maybe to some you are trying to match up or trying to tackle, then with the lag, you ain't going to do anything. See again. That's what I was talking about. Then like the special double touch is really really great thing. Like giving your player special flip flap and so control makes them perform that special double touch, and it is good for small player like short player like of Hazard, Messi, Neymar, Martin Odegaard, Pedri, Bruno. You can give them the special double touch. It's really work on them. Or maybe the like of Rahul, De Piero, Nedved, um, Platini, and many other player with great ID. The special double touch is really really good on them. And then win. We played 2 matches and we won the 2 matches. Bad network as usual. Winning the server.